When it comes to casement windows, Mesa, Arizona, choosing the right materials is crucial for both aesthetics and functionality. Vinyl casement windows are a popular choice due to their durability and low maintenance requirements. For those seeking a more traditional look, wood casement windows offer a classic appeal, while aluminum casement windows provide a sleek, modern finish. Each material offers unique benefits, making it essential to consider your specific needs and preferences when selecting casement window frames. Energy-efficient casement windows Mesa are a top priority for homeowners in Mesa, Arizona, looking to reduce energy costs and improve home comfort. Double-glazed casement windows are an excellent option, providing superior insulation and noise reduction. These windows help maintain a consistent indoor temperature, reducing the need for excessive heating or cooling. By investing in energy-efficient casement windows Mesa, Arizona, you can enjoy long-term savings and contribute to a more sustainable environment. Casement windows Mesa installation in Mesa is a vital service for maintaining the functionality and appearance of your windows. Over time, casement window hardware such as locks, hinges, and screens may require attention to ensure smooth operation. Regular maintenance and timely installations can extend the lifespan of your windows, preventing the need for costly replacements. Trusting Mesa, Arizona casement window experts for your installation needs ensures quality workmanship and reliable service. Custom casement windows Mesa offer a personalized touch to any home in Mesa, Arizona. Whether you desire unique casement window styles or specific casement window sizes, custom casement windows Mesa, Arizona can be tailored to fit your exact specifications. This customization allows for a seamless integration with your home's architecture, enhancing both curb appeal and property value. With a variety of design options available, you can create the perfect look for your home. For those considering casement windows Mesa replacement in Mesa, Arizona, affordability is often a key concern. Affordable casement windows Mesa do not have to compromise on quality or style. By exploring different materials and designs, you can find cost-effective solutions that meet your budget while still providing the desired aesthetic and functionality. Affordable casement windows Mesa options are available to suit any financial plan, ensuring you get the best value for your investment. Casement windows Mesa installation in Mesa, Arizona, is a crucial service for homeowners looking to enhance their property's aesthetic and energy efficiency. With a variety of options available, including energy-efficient casement windows Mesa and custom casement windows Mesa, residents can find the perfect fit for their homes. Whether you're interested in vinyl casement windows, aluminum casement windows, or wood casement windows, Mesa offers a range of styles and materials to suit any preference. Energy-efficient casement windows Mesa are a popular choice in Mesa, Arizona, due to the region's warm climate. These windows help reduce energy costs by providing superior insulation, keeping homes cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. Double-glazed casement windows Mesa are particularly effective, offering an additional layer of insulation that enhances energy efficiency and comfort. For those in need of casement windows Mesa installation in Mesa, expert services are readily available. Whether it's a minor fix or a major overhaul, Mesa, Arizona casement window experts can handle all types of installations, ensuring your windows function smoothly and efficiently. From installing casement window locks and hinges to addressing issues with casement window frames and glass, professional installation services can extend the life of your windows. Custom casement windows Mesa in Mesa, Arizona, allow homeowners to tailor their window designs to match their unique style and architectural preferences. With options for various casement window sizes, styles, and materials, custom casement windows Mesa can enhance the overall look and feel of any home. Whether you prefer modern casement windows or traditional casement windows, customization ensures a perfect fit. Vinyl casement windows Mesa are a popular choice in Mesa due to their affordability and low maintenance requirements. These windows offer excellent durability and energy efficiency, making them a practical option for homeowners looking to upgrade their windows without breaking the bank. Vinyl windows Mesa are available in a range of styles and colors to complement any home design. Aluminum casement windows Mesa in Mesa, Arizona, provide a sleek and modern look that appeals to many homeowners. Known for their strength and durability, aluminum windows are resistant to corrosion and require minimal maintenance. They are an excellent choice for those seeking modern casement windows Mesa, Arizona that offer both style and functionality. Wood casement windows Mesa offer a classic and timeless appeal that many homeowners in Mesa, Arizona, appreciate. These windows provide excellent insulation and can be customized with various finishes and stains to match any interior or exterior design. Wood windows Mesa are ideal for those who value traditional aesthetics and natural materials. Casement windows Mesa installation in Mesa, Arizona, is a crucial service for homeowners looking to enhance their property's aesthetic and energy efficiency. With a variety of casement window styles available, including modern casement windows and traditional casement windows, residents can choose the perfect design to complement their home's architecture. Casement windows Mesa installation Mesa experts ensure that each window is fitted with precision, maximizing both functionality and visual appeal. Energy-efficient casement windows Mesa are a popular choice for Mesa, Arizona, residents seeking to reduce their energy bills and improve their home's comfort. These windows are designed to minimize heat transfer, keeping homes cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. Energy-efficient casement windows Mesa, Arizona specialists offer a range of options, including double-glazed casement windows, which provide superior insulation and noise reduction,